red pen, paper equals math. Okay, today we're going to learn about numerical patterns, number patterns, and identify the rules. Rules are just what the patterns are. I'll give you an example. So let's say we had a sequence of numbers. We went like this: 4, 8, 12, 16. And I were to actually to identify the rule. Okay, this is how you would do it. You would say, okay, well, we started off with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we got to 8, which 1, 2, 3, 4 is just adding 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we added another group of 4 to 4. And then we got to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and then we got to 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, we started off with 4, and then we added another 4 to get to 8. Then we added another 4 to get to 12, and then we added another 4 to get to 16. So the rule here would be add 4 each time. Add 4, add 4 each time. So the pattern is that you add 4. You add 4 each time. When we had 4, we added another 4. You can even say we added 4 to 0 to get 4, and then we added 4 to 4 to get 8. Then we added 4 to 8 to get 12. Then we added 4 to 12 to get 16. And if I were to actually extend this, you could by adding 4 to 16. You add 4 to 16, and that is 20. You add 4 to 20, and that is 4. So we build a pattern: 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. And the rule would be add 4 each time. So the rule tells you what you do to extend the pattern. Okay? And if I were to give you another pattern, let's say 2, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16. And I were to ask you, extend, what's the rule so we can extend the pattern? Well, you could say, okay, well, we start off with 2. So we added 2 to 0, let's say. We added 2 to 0. And then we added 2 to 4. 2 more to 2. So that we could get 4. And then we seem to add 4 to the 4 to get 8. And then we add 8 to the 8 to get 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We added 8 to the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get 16. So we went to 2. We were with 2. Well, actually, let me get rid of the 0. We were at 2. Then we added another 2 to get 4. Then we added a 4 to get 8. And then we added an 8 to get 16. It looks like it keeps doubling. It keeps doubling. You multiply 2 times 2 and you get 4. You multiply 2 times 4 and you get 8. You multiply 8 by 2 and you get 16. So the rule for this pattern would be multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. So if we wanted to extend this pattern, we could just by multiplying the 16 by 2, which is 32. We multiply the 32 by 2, which is 64. So this is how we build patterns. This is how we identify rules for patterns so we can keep extending the pattern, right? You look at the increments in between the patterns, in between the numbers, and you identify how much it increases. This one increases by 2 each time. You multiply 2 by 2, not by 2. You multiply by 2 to increase the number. And you can even divide by 2. You could even divide by 2. You could start with 16, and then you get 8, and then you get 4, and then you get 2. This would be dividing by 2. Instead of multiplying by 2, you cut 16 in half. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And that's just a pattern. The identity of the rule for the pattern would be divide by 2. So we could extend it. 2 divided by 2 is just 1. That's it. Alright, try this at home, stay in school. Bye!